Do you want to know how you can open a business account on Wise? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create or open a business account on Wise. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open any browser and go to Wise. Make sure that you do have your account logged into your browser. Go ahead and hover around your browser or your profile over here and click on it, and you can find open a business account. Let's go ahead and click on open a business account. Then what you need to do is click on get set up in minutes. Now what you need to do is select your country where you reside. So go ahead and select your country. If it's not available, you should search for it. So you can select your country and choose the type of company you want. So what you need to do is write down the registered business name, business number, and you must write down valid number for all of these. So this is one step you want to do to complete log into your business account. So you can click on maybe later as well. So what you need to do is go to open business account, click on get set up in minutes, select your country, and after that choose the company type. So you can see there are different types of companies according to the country you have selected. So make sure you select your country, choose the company type, which is over here, and write down your registered business name. Then you can write down your Australian business number if you have selected the country Australia, but there are different criterias you need to fulfill according to the country. So you can see that there are a lot of companies and a lot of countries from which you can open your business account. So go ahead and fill this up and you can easily create a business account for yourself now. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.